lion sunk by time's decay, too feeble grown to hunt his prey, observed his fatal hour draw nigh. He drooped and laid him down to die. There came by chance a savage boar, who trembled oft to hear him roar. But when he saw him thus distressed, he tore and gored his royal breast. A bull came next on Genra's foe, rejoiced to find him fall so low. And with his horny armored head, he aimed at once to strike him dead. And with his horny armed head, he aimed at once to strike him dead. He strikes, he wounds, he shocks in vain. The lion still conceals his pain. At length the base inglorious book, who saw so many insults pass, came up and kicked him in the side. 'Twas this that raised the lion's pride. He roused and thus he spoke at length, for indignation gave him strength. Thou sorry, stupid, sluggish creature, disgrace and shame and scorn of nature. You saw how well I could dispense with blows from beasts of consequence. They dignified the wounds they gave, for none complain who feel the brave. But you, the lowest of all brutes, how ill your face with courage suits! What dullness in thy looks appears! I'd rather far, by heaven 'tis true, expire by these than live by you. A kick from thee is double death. I curse thee with my dying breath.